Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech again with another HP G60 notebook video. This time I'm going to replace CMOS battery and we're going to replace the keyboard here. We got those right here. See, I went with a black keyboard because that's what I can get. Eventually I'll probably get a silver one, but for now it'll work. CMOS battery. I'll do the keyboard first because that's pretty easy. I pulled the battery out and that'll be coming in tomorrow and I'll end the video with that. But for now, let's get this keyboard out of here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the screws out of here, all the screws out of the battery compartment here, this other side, and I'll come back when I've done that. See, once I've done that, I'm going to go to the top and pull up on the casing a little bit here, get that keyboard out until it's popped out. Gotta unhook the ribbon cable. Pretty simple stuff right there. Just comes out of here. This one's not backlit, but that's okay. Gonna unwrap the new one. Just throw that down there. Nice shiny black one. But first I'm going to get this ribbon cable in here. Gotta make sure we're careful with this cable. So we are very careful with it because they are so fragile. Try to close the clamp up on it. This number, push it in there so it seats down in there. And close this up and get these screws back in there. Get the keyboard screws going. There's one. We're missing a screw, but that's okay. It'll be fine with two. Holding the keyboard in. You're gonna have to push up on the keyboard, which is okay. There we go. Get the last two in there. Last one. I'm going to set this here and grab a connector, a plug. I use one for my other laptop that fits. Let's give it the old college try. F1, we can see that it works. Hit escape there. There's no boot device because there's no operating system on it. Let's go into the BIOS. Try to go into the BIOS here. System info. As you can see there, that's our. This shows our specs on it here. We got HP G60 notebook. We got board ID, processor Pentium dual core T4200 at 2 GHz, 4 GB of memory, 4096 megabytes. That's BIOS version, serial numbers. We don't need all that. Saying original OS on here was Windows Vista, but it's not going to be anymore. So let's turn this off. Let's get to the CMOS battery. Pull that out. As we can tell, the keyboard works fine. Now to get to CMOS battery on one of these. Okay, now to get to CMOS battery, we'll open this hard drive cover. Oh, slipped off. As you can see, you have this tab that's sticking up. It's right here. Easy to get to. Just pull it out. That's the old one. It don't work anymore. Let's grab the new one and shove it in there. If I can get out of this little baggie here. That's the new one. Same thing. I'm gonna line it up with the connector on it. Try to get it in the hole. There we go. Try to get it in there as best we can. They don't put this plug easy to get to. So we're gonna have to finagle it in there. I'll come back when that's in there. Got it in there. I'm closing it up now. Now we're gonna try to set our time and all that. So back to the BIOS. So BIOS setup F10. There we go. System time. No, my current time is 11. Find F5 and F6. There they are. 11. 1149. Five, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11:49. Let's go down. Today's date is 11/25. So the other way. 2021. Do a couple other things in here. Save it. As we see, no more error. Booted right up to the thing. I'll be back when the battery comes in. We'll continue this video. We'll catch you then. Alright guys, we're back. It is the next day. I got my battery here. Now we're gonna take it out, make sure it is the right one. There it is. Put the box over there. This is the new battery, just a generic. It's not an HP part, but it should work. Pull the old one out. As you can see, it is the same as the new one. Why this one died is because they left it plugged in, which I do not recommend doing. You need to unplug it or it's going to kill the battery. Use it on battery, because you don't want to kill your battery. Throw that down there. And this step is really easy, anyone can do it. Make sure it's sitting there. Looks like it. New batteries are. Let's see if it'll turn on with it. And there you go. It actually has battery power. And then in the next video I will be installing Linux operating system. I use this one as my Linux box. But as we can see with the CMOS battery, the time is kept, the date is kept. So we know that is working well. Again, has all the specs on it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you next time.